ആഗോളമേനവായ പരമപുരുഷായ സർവദേവതാവശീകരായ സർവാരിഷ്ടവിനാശനായ സർവദുർമന്ത്രഛേദനായ ത്രൈലോക്യം വശമാനായ സ്വാഹ. 22 bar 7 9 3 and 9 Leo 9. How are you, my beautiful, wonderful souls who are going to be a part of my vision and a mission? A part of millennium spirituality, millennium evolution, manifestation energy fields, various things connected with a fastest evolution in the history of humankind through Nijraj yogic waves, power pranayama, various spiritual system that energizes the human body for the sake of allowing oneself to perceive divinity everywhere. Then a connection is essential, a personal connection with ME spirituality. Interactive sessions, various kinds of discussions in tune with philosophical waves of business, spirituality and prosperity to other concept. It's a casual way of interacting with MESSOULS. It is not just introduction, it is a connection through ME space towards the cosmic realities and the ways of one God for you and me, with highest syllabus of global Menons, ROYL Menons and MESSOULS. Souls are beyond gender differences and race differences to feel one's own purpose in this planet. If there is no purpose, then it is a dull life. When many realize one's own purpose, then they will engage in good activities, spiritual activities, to feel it, to touch it with that type of awareness of cosmic realm. Oh yes, as orbital safe space, orbital secure space for MESSOULS, so that many can easily understand the path, straightness, straight right, straight left, straight. It's a new system. I am making everything quite new so that it's a new millennium. Millennium evolution, ME. ME spirituality. If these words are understandable or digestible, then I feel those souls who can have a peculiar styles in disseminating spiritual knowledge and to understand ME systems through Prem Sandesh Sanchar too. It's with responsible roles, disciplined journey, with highest version, with one's own awareness to be in a changing world with the consciousness of one's own divinity, soul's power. Slowly, many can understand that life is not just busying around with some gadgets or other things, but life can be made beautiful with meditations, creativity, and whatnot. Knowing one's own power of breathe, there won't be much tension, worries, or complicated confusions or doubts when many engage in spiritual practices that is recommended for the process of evolution and realization of one's own divine nature or spiritual culture. Then Sanatana yogic system allows many to think about beyond religions, but with spirituality to feel that cosmic realms and the light energy in it. That means many understand one's own physical body and their internal system and the external body to feel the societal norms of peculiar styles in disciplining one's own life with clarity of all types of wonderful things to feel the life in this planet. Beautiful life, peaceful life, life with happiness and blissfulness. Where one can feel without the heart inside. So every soul possesses that type of awareness of divinity that many can feel it through Nijaraja yogic methodologies and various wonderful things to be in the presence of one's own super consciousness. One can naturally live with adaptability and more blissfulness and happy to feel that type of awareness of a realm that is getting unveiled for the sake of fastest evolution. There is meaning for spiritual life. Those who feel they are born for spiritual work, when they listen to me, these type of words, they will get some sorts of clicking in the mind that there is some purpose in life. Then these words are only meant for those who really want to be a part of my vision and mission, and my activities including Prem Sandesh Sanchar or Prem Sandesh Yatra. That itself is a sign of getting connected with me through. Three things are most important for MESSOULS. First, non-betrayal. Second, honesty and sincerity. Third, straightforwardness in the righteousness. Heart to heart, souls to souls. Then, this chance or opportunity that I am creating for the connections, then these words are more than enough for those souls who really want to get connected with me and M is spirituality, Nijaraja yogic life. I am a business spiritual leader and a philosopher. And souls in me and all those who really want to be a part of my vision and mission, messengers of yogic love, religion of yogic love, all these concepts are made digested for the purpose of Nijaraja yogic life. Left you all. Few words only for those who really want to be a part of my spirituality and participants program begins. Left you all. I am here in this planet